In this lesson, we'll evaluate the integral of e raised to the power of 1 over x divided by x cubed with respect to x. We'll tackle this by using substitution, simplifying the exponent, and applying the chain rule method for integration. Let's start by looking at the integral in question. To evaluate this integral, we'll use the method of substitution. Our integral involves the term e raised to the power of 1 over x, which suggests that we can simplify it with substitution. So, let's make a suitable substitution. Let's choose u to equal 1 over x. By differentiating both sides with respect to x, we find that the derivative of u with respect to x is negative 1 over x squared. Let's solve for dx in terms of do. We can manipulate the derivative to get expression for dx, which gives us dx equals negative x squared do. Now, we'll substitute back into the original integral. Our integral becomes the integral of e to the power of u divided by x cubed, and dx is replaced by negative x squared do. Notice that x squared in dx nicely cancels part of the x cubed in the denominator. This lets us cancel terms and simplify the integral to the negative integral of e to u divided by x do. We know x equals 1 over u based on our substitution. Substituting x as 1 over u, we now have the negative integral of e to the power of u divided by 1 over u do, which simplifies to u times e to the u do. Integrating this expression using integration by parts, let v equal e to the u, giving derivative dv equals e to the u do, and choosing do prime, as u do gives the integral v to u prime. Recall integration by part states that u prime v equals uv minus the integral of uv do prime. Integrating this expression using integration by parts, let v equal e to the u, giving derivative dv equals e to the u do, and choosing do prime, as do gives the integral v to u prime. Recall integration by part states that u prime v equals uv minus the integral of uv do prime. With that substitution, we'll then have negative uv, which equals negative e to the power of u, times u minus the integral of v do prime. By calculating this step, we simplify to negative e to the u times u plus e to the u. Finally, substituting back u to 1 over x, making our indefinite integral result,